Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove Cash App transactions that you do not want to see anymore. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application first. So if you do not already have the application, what you can do is go to the App Store, open up your App Store on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and search for Cash App. So once you find the application, you can go ahead and install it. And once you install it, we can get started opening it up. So you can go ahead and log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. Once you log in, now we can get started. So once you have logged in, we'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can take a look at your cash balance, you have your savings and all the other settings that you can access. And now once you do that, we can get started removing our history and our payment transactions. And basically what we're looking for is right here at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can find the sections tab where you can find all the sections we can access. Currently, we are in the home page. As you can see, next to the home page, we have the card icon, and now we can get started opening it up. So what we're looking for is right here at the bottom right corner. You want to click on the clock icon in the bottom right corner. By clicking the clock icon, it's going to open up your payment history where you can take a look at all the payments and transactions that you have in Cash App. And basically, guys, from there, you can get started removing them. Find the transaction that you want to remove, you can tap on it, select whatever you want to do with it. You can either print the receipt, you can archive it, you can delete it, whichever option you want. All of that is going to be findable right here in the clock icon in the bottom right corner to manage your history, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.